Hello dear fellow day traders, welcome to 19th February 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing 22 points up move at the level of 10,675. Another dampening day yesterday for Indian markets. US markets have closed for yesterday because of President's Day, so there is no cues we can see from US markets. So seeing the cues from SGX Nifty alone, Indian markets may open flat to green in today's pre-open and open session. One more dampening day in the market. Yesterday market saw a huge downturn from the level of 10,800, almost 10,750 to 10,800 levels, down 10,650 levels. So a huge downturn in yesterday's market. Indian market collapsed all the way. And what are the levels of support we have to watch out for? The levels of support we have to watch out for are very less as of now. The level of 10,630 levels, 10,618 levels, 10,600 levels, 10,563 levels, 10,550, 10,500 and 10,483 are the levels of support we have to watch out for if the market has to collapse more from here. If the market has to go upwards, then of course the first resistance comes at 10,674. The big support which is 10,674 has now turned into a resistance because the market could not stand that particular support of 10,674. So the resistance now is 10,674, 10,700, 10,707 and 10,713, 10,750, 10,800, 10,815, which is the 50-day moving average, and 10,859, which is the 200-day moving average, 10,880, which is the 50% of the Fibonacci retracement. Above that, of course, 10,900 and 10,926 are the levels of resistances we have to watch out for. Fast stochastic is denoting that we are in our sold zone, so we may see up move from here onwards. MACD is disgustingly in red. It is totally in downward movement. There is a depth of momentum is what MACD is showing, and slow stochastic is denoting that we are still not in the oversold zone yet. However, we may enter the oversold zone yet very soon, which denotes that the market may move upwards from here onwards. That's what it denotes. So seeing all this, if you want all this technical knowledge for yourself, click on the first link in the description below. You'll be taught 3 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis this weekend in 91 Springboard's Residency Road. And I have written a startup ebook, so there will be one more link for that. That would be the second link, the startup to biz or not to biz in India. So click on that second link to purchase that ebook at just 49 rupees. So you will get to know how to get into the business in India and what are the benefits you will get by business in India. So click on the second link in the description below. You will be given a great insight about what business is about in India and how will you get to make more money with the business in India. So that's it for today. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.